What's up, guys? So as you can see, there's something a little different going on up here. Yeah, I installed a front suspension kit on this bike. I didn't do it in today's video. I didn't even make a video about it because it's super windy, and I'd rather not make a video than make a crappy video, which I know I have. But it was a lot of wind noise, so I just said forget it. I'll just put it on real quick. It was almost dark, so it was really easy. And the reason that I changed that suspension out was, one, front suspension is pretty cool. Also, these were bent. As you can see, them are no good. I wouldn't ride on them. One hole and you're done. You're eating the mud, eating the ground. So yeah, they do their suspension thing. They move up and down when you hit a bump, all that good stuff. Make it that much easier to ride, especially in the trails and around the yard. So yeah, it was really easy. If you don't know how to change it out, basically it's 4 bolts up here. Take your handlebars off, you get to this bolt right here, which holds on the front end onto the frame, and then you have your axle bolt. And that's how to remove that suspension. Now to put this one on, it's a little difficult. Go Power Sports has a video, go watch it if you're wondering. But basically, this thing comes, for me it came apart. Both individual fork tubes was, all this was apart. You had this and this and this in the box. It wasn't assembled, but basically all you do is you slide this on first, you slide this on top, you put your bolts in, and then you put your suspension kit on, and then I'm not very good explaining it, but you'll see how it is. And then it also comes with a new front axle bolt because, well, the old one won't fit because it's wider. But that took me about 15 minutes to take that off and put that on. So that's a little update on that bike. Sorry I didn't make a video. I do have a problem with it though. Not with the front end, but with the motor. It's smoking a tab. You can smell it. And it's got a burning smell. Now, it smells like it's burning a valve. I don't know if you can smell that, but it smells almost like a metal smell coming out. Which, for the reason with that is this exhaust likes to loosen up on me. Now, that could probably be eliminated if I run a header brace, which obviously I do not have. It's just hanging there. So it's fine as long as I check it before every ride, because, well, every 2 or 3 rides it likes to loosen up. So I think that's the problem with that. I might have a burn exhaust valve or starting to burn, but until it starts pouring smoke out, I ain't really worried about it. It's a weird noise. But yeah, it's what I did with that bike. This bike up here, it's been mostly sitting. My brother's been riding it. Having a couple problems out of it. One with the front end. Kid that had it before me, I think he wrecked it and he messed up the front end. It turns real weird. The front tire likes to go flat, which I knew. Having a problem with the chain. If you're bigger, like over 90 pounds, and you try to ride this thing in the woods, good luck, because it pulls horribly. It needs a torque converter. I think that when they produced these, they should have came with a torque converter and, put a $100 more price tag on them. But they didn't, which is fine. It's a good bike. Frame's good and beefy. So yeah, that's pretty much it for these 2 bikes. I haven't really been riding this one, but my brother has. But in the future's videos, I'd like to build me a Briggs. Not this block. Not this block. A different Briggs. Hopefully a complete running Briggs. Or try to get it running. But I got a Briggs block. It's a WK legal block. I don't know. It's got some work done to it. It's been corded. All that. It's been polished, I believe, in its previous times. Where the lifters go in, they've been welded up for extra support. I think that's a must if you're working on one of these and you're running a big cam. Which this one had a dyno cam in it and a billet flywheel. And well, the reason it's all apart is, well, I got it and the piston skirt was broken. The piston was jammed. So I think I've talked about it in one of my previous videos, but yeah, that happened with this. That's basically it with this bike, or this motor. It's got heavier duty valve springs in it because of the cam. But I basically tore it down and looked up a list for it, and obviously it looks, I believe it's sleeved. I could get a new sleeve for it and put it back together, but I don't know nothing about this block. It's got some indications on this side here. Looks like Mike on this, and J Dub, and DCK 250 on this in their pastimes. That's the stamp it's got on it. And it's got some stampings along there. Like I said, not really worried about it. It's basically just been sitting up there on my shelves as a big ornament. So yeah, hopefully a Briggs build soon. I've always wanted a Briggs. Now, no one wants a Briggs because they're hard to start, they're smoky, all that good stuff. But I really want one for no reason, just because, I don't know, I've had a bike with one Briggs on it. It was a 3.5 horse, a little green bike. That was before I started making videos. And it was reliable, but I just want one with a header, a mild cam, probably not a rod because them are expensive. Them are about as expensive as the ones for 212, and just ride on it, you know, just ride around. Just because I want a Briggs. I want to find an older frame, put a Briggs on it, and have a kind of a period correct motor on it. But this GX 390, it's been sitting here also. We had like a big storm come in, like 50 mile per hour straight line wind, so I've been picking up branches. But I don't know about it. If I come up with a sum of money, which I think it's better off just to buy a new motor, you know, I might fix this one up, you know. Everything's a little sticky, but yeah, that's it for this video. I just wanted to give you all an update on this bike. Future videos, hopefully, a little update on this bike. So yeah, if y'all like this video, let me know. Subscribe, because, well, 99% of y'all watching are not subscribed. Only 1% of y'all are, so if, you know, I had 99% more of y'all subscribed, I'd be able to get like 1,000 subscribers, which would make me feel pretty good. Costs nothing to you, means the world to me. So yeah, hope y'all like this video. If y'all want to pick up the front suspension kit, go to Go Power Sports. Studs Racing has them. Amazon has them, which is from Go Power Sports. So yeah, like 90 bucks, and it improves your riding that much better. So yeah, let me know if y'all like this video. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, I'll do all the YouTube stuff, and I'll see you guys on the next video.